Hello students, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. First, write 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90 degree. So you have to find all the 6 ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot of these angles. So first, sine. See easily how to find all these angles value. First to write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the numbers 0 to 4 dividing by 4. That means 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. And now find their square root. The square root of 0 by 4, then 1 by 4, then 2 by 4, then 3 by 4, then 4 by 4. So this is equal to 0 by something, that is 0. So 0. 1 by 4. 4 square root 2. So 1 by 2. 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 2 to the 4. 1 by 2. That is 1 by root 2. Square root of 2 is 2. Then root 3 by 4. Square root of 3 by 4. That is root 3 by 2. And 4 by 4 is 1. 4 by 4 is 1. That is square root of 1. That is 1. Now, these are the values of sine. So therefore sine, write here sine. So sine 0 degree equal to 0, sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. So these are the values of sine. This is sine. Then cos. C-O-S. Cos. Right. All these values of sine from end to beginning. So at last one is 1. So write at first one. 1. Then root 3 by 2, right here root 3 by 2. Then 1 by root 2, right here 1 by root 2. Then 1 by 2, right here 1 by 2. Then 0, right here 0. That means cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2 and cos 90 0. So these are the values of cos. Then tan. Right here tan. So tan we know sine by cos equal to tan. So sine 0 degree is 0 and cos value is 1. So 0 by 1 divide sine value by cos value. So 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 and 1 by 0. So this is equal to 0 by 1 we know 0 by something is 0. 2 cancel, 1 by root 3. Then here 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Both are cancel, that is 1. Same value dividing by the 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So 2 cancel, that is root 3. And 1 by 0, we know it is not defined, that is infinity. Not defined. Something by 0 is not defined. So these are the values of tan. See, so tan 0 degree equal to 0, tan 30 degree 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 degree root 3, and tan 90 degree not defined, that is infinity. So we got easily sine, cos and tan. Now reciprocal of sine, that is cosec. Cosec, C-O-S-E-C. So cosec, reciprocal of sine value, so 0. Reciprocal of 0 means, we know 0 means 0 by 1. So 0 by 1, its reciprocal is 1 by 0. Then reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that is root 2 by 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is 1. So 1 by 0, that is infinity, not defined. Not defined. 2 by 1 is 2. Root 2 by 1 is root 2. And 2 by root 3 is 2 by root 3. This is 1. And this is cosec. So cosec means reciprocal of sine. So all the values of sine reciprocal is cosec. That means cosec 0 degree is not defined. Cosec 30 degree 2. Cosec 45 1 by root. Cosec 45 is root 2. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. And cosec 90 is 1. Then sec. Sec, reciprocal of cos. So cos 1, first value cos 0 1, 1 reciprocal 1. Then root 3 by 2, its reciprocal 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2, root 2 by 1. 1 by 2, 2 by 1. And we know 0 means 0 by 1. So 0 by 1, 0 means 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 0. 1 by 0. So 1 means 1, 2 by root 3 is 2 by root 3, root 2 by 1 is root 2, and 2 is 2, and 1 by 0 is not defined. Not defined. So these are the values of sec. So sec 0 degree is 1, sec 30 degree 2 by root 3, sec 45 root 2, sec 60 2, and sec 90 is not defined. Then last one is cot. C-O-T. Cot is reciprocal of tan. So tan 0 is 0. So 0 means 0 by 1. Its reciprocal is 1 by 0. Then tan 30 1 by root 3. Its reciprocal root 3 by 1. Tan 40 by 1. Its reciprocal 1. Tan 60 root 3. Root 3 reciprocal is 1 by root 3. And tan 90 is not defined. Not defined means 1 by 0. So its reciprocal is 0 by 1. So cot values are 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. That is infinity. Root 3 by 1 is root 3. 1 is 1. 1 by root 3. And 0 by 1 is 0. So these are the values of cot. So cot 0 degree is not defined. Cot 30 root 3. Cot 45 1. Cot 60 1 by root 3. And cot 90 is 0. So easily we can find all 6 ratios values, that is all the degrees 0, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90, and easily we can remember. Thank you.